Look at all the lights going on.
How cool would it have been to be a guest at that party?
That'd be awesome. Yeah, there goes my
It's cool that it's to music.
Everybody's probably wondering what's going on inside.
Will we be able to send these to station?
I will be able to. Are you taking pictures? I'm recording a video. Rhonda, I'm taking a video. I just got it. I just got it.
Did you know they were going to do that?
No.
I have to get a permit for the suit too.
Put your car on your shoe, nobody in the car.
Now I'm gonna have to go download those things.
No, this is awesome. Like, I was so upset because I missed all the fireworks on 4th of July. Because I was fighting with my ex-boyfriend. And I was so pissed at him. Because I missed every show.
Look at all the people this thing.
Hey, see how you guys do it 4th of July around here.
Oh, man. I guess we'll find out.
We'll find out this year.
How is it
We don't have anything.
This is
year,
cool
do we?
because last night they did the fireworks at the ballpark.
Yeah.
Because they do them every Friday night, regardless of if they win or not.
Right.
And then when I was driving home last night, I was so bummed because I didn't wait long enough here to go.